I know it says bus, but this is not a bus. This is a very nice Supersport. It's been a bit of a long day, actually. I was out on a ride with Naked Bikes of Sweden. It was super nice, like the first real summer day of the year, I guess. We had ice cream, we had hamburger, there were naked bikes, there were sport bikes. A little bit of revs for the boys. This is a nice corner. Just a normal corner, but it's nice. Stockholm's most famous mall of Scandinavia. And here we have Strawberry Arena. It was bought by some cool Norwegian dude that runs a hotel chain called Strawberry Hotels. So he renamed it to Strawberry Arena. You know the feeling when you've been riding so fast the whole day, and then you kind of go home, you rest for a bit, and then there's another ride, and you're already in tune with the machine, you know, because you've been riding the whole day. So there's no break-in period. You just sit, you just ride, and you just feel good immediately. That's what it feels like right now. Man, I'm in a good mood today. Super good mood. Actually, that's a green light, boys. I need to find some kind of gas station where I'm meeting my friend, but I don't know where it is. I think we go, and that's a green light for me. So many green lights today. Let's listen to the downshift. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And touchdown. Sorry I scared you, my sister. Hey, that's Circle K. I gotta fill up, I gotta meet my friend, and then we're gonna go to the bike meet. Gotta fill up the girl with some stuff. This is called a special grip. You actually get more gas if you hold it this way. It's not super thirsty or anything, but if you want to have fun, you know, it's another story. Now where's my boy? Where is my boy? Hey, I just washed it and now there's a bug. Oh yeah. I have some stuff planned. The full system. Moriwaki is gonna add another muffler here, rainbow colored. I'm gonna put at least one carbon piece, I think. Here, this is gonna be carbon. I put these GB Racing covers recently. I have new handles coming from Evotech. I have some stickers I'm gonna put on the bike, and I'm gonna change the rear sprocket to +3 and a 520 conversion. After that, I hope the bike is gonna feel really good. Some people say you can't feel any difference. Oh, there's my boy. There's my Supersport boy. Some people say you can't feel any difference. Some people say it feels lighter, you know, with a 520. Tja bro, hur är läget? Allt bra? Nya tonade skölden alltså. He's on a completely new 2025 Ducati Supersport. I know he ordered a full system for it. I think he's gonna get an Acra. Nice. See snart. Ja, tja. Okay, so there's an MC police here somewhere on the way to where we're going. So we better be careful. Okay, let's roll. Oh man, I'm so happy to see these guys again. It's been a while. These guys are the OG people that I started riding with last year, you know, like the first friends I made who also ride motorbikes. Yes! So nice to see the Ninja again. Yeah, I love it, man. Love it. Oh, there's the police. There's the police. But he's super easy to see. That police like, oh, look at me. I'm a police. I am a police. Varsågod. Lite mer. Nice! Grymt alltså! Fan, 650 power alltså! Okay, let's move, boys. On this amazing evening in Stockholm, this almost summer evening. Today's lineup: CBR600, Ducati Supersport S, CBR650. Okay, let's do it. CBR versus CBR, man. Wow, same amount of power, man. Wow. It's 9 o'clock in the evening and the sun hasn't even set yet. Swedish winters suck, they're too long, they're horrible, they're shitty. But when summertime comes, it's amazing. You know, the sun is up until like 10 in the middle of the summer. Jävlar! And with that, this evening's over. Well, it's getting too cold, guys, so I'ma head home. Thanks for watching, and thanks for supporting the channel. I have a lot of fun stuff coming up, so if you enjoyed the content today, get subscribed, hit the notification button, all of that stuff, and I'll see you in the next video.
Peace out and bye bye.